You know what we say every week, man? Tempo. Control the tempo. Stay on schedule. Yeah. Let's get after them. Let's go. Tempo on 3. 1, 2, 3. Tempo.
Be the most physical team.
Now, anybody can talk it, but it takes the technique, fundamentals, communication, and togetherness to get it done, right? That's what we got to do today, all right?
Hey, D-block on 3. 1, 2, 3.
D-block.
24/7.
Lock down.
We worked too hard for this. We got to take every day's rare opportunity, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Hokies, let's go.
It's not about them, it's about who. Okay, one play at a time, great communications, great with your key reads, and let's get ready to be physical, play fast, go finish the play.
Let's go. It's here. Let's go. Let's go. We're going down today. We ain't taking no more L's.
Yeah.
We're going to leave it what we want. Let's go, y'all.
Let's start this thing. Let's start this thing. Let's go now. Yeah, Chuck, I told you the touchdown, didn't I? Yeah.
You just keep it going, let's go.
I mean, right down there, let's see if we like the corner route, you know what I mean?
We just need to keep doing what you're doing, be relentless, play one play at a time, all right? And stay after their tail. Y'all got me on that? You know what to do. Everybody knows what to do. Let's be physical. Let's go out here. We'll talk about it. All right, scoring points first 5 minutes of the third quarter. Let's go get a touchdown. Let's go get a touchdown. Hey, dominate on 3. 1, 2, 3, dominate.
Everybody up, everybody up, everybody up, everybody up. We'll find out a lot about each other, in this second half right here. How are we going to play? You guys got me?
Show me what D-Tech football's about. Let's go. Finish on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Man coverage, you probably want to check that out.
Celebrate agriculture.
How many catches? Hey, don't get this on camera.
I'm telling you what Coach Wall just told me.
Good luck to you. Keep working on it. I know you will. You got it rolling.